Hello guys, it's your boy TJ here. Today we are gonna unbox the new Mi Band 5 and let's get started. The Mi Band 5 was launched couple months back, but it made its debut here in India on October 1st. The links for buying are in the description box below. There are few subtle improvements over the previous generation Mi Band 4. Now let's talk about the design and features of Mi Band 5. The silicone band is quite smooth and comfortable to wear, and an all-new design and a charging mechanism. Let's talk about the display. It is a 1.1-inch AMOLED touch display, and at the back you get PPG heart rate sensor and along with 6-axis sensor and a gyroscope. The Mi Band 5 has 50 meters of water resistance, about 5 atm of pressure, and it also has sleep monitoring and 14 days of battery life. The 1.1-inch AMOLED display is well lit and visible even in the indoors as well as in the outdoors, and the touchscreen is really responsive. The display has a resolution of 294x126. It's a 16-bit display and has a 450 nits of brightness. Now we have two new tracking modes, including sports tracking modes which include swimming and much more. You can also track your indoor exercises like yoga, and the heart rate sensor now has a PPG sensor which improves heart rate sensing accuracy a little bit. Do connect your band with the Mi Fit app and Android as well as on iOS to get to know about the sleep and workout activities data. It also includes stress monitoring as well as breath taking, so it will constantly give you reminders to breathe throughout the day as well as some breathing exercises to improve your breathing. The app also gets an update and thousands of watch faces, and you could customize as you wish. You could also remotely control your camera of your smartphone using the Mi Band 5. You will also get notifications for your calls, messages if you allow them, but you couldn't interact with them. You will get notification when someone calls you, but you won't be able to take or cut the call. A full review will be coming soon, and if you have any doubts, leave in the comment section box down below. Do like if you loved my content and share it with your friends, and a sub to channel will be appreciated. Peace out, bye.